G'day everyone, Jason from ARB Rockingham. Today I'm super excited to run you through an absolute dream build. It's not every day we get these over here in WA, so let's run through dual cab chopped, chassis extended, MITS alloy fitted, Y62 Patrol. Now up front guys, we were very lucky. This car's come from BMW, already chopped, extended, and come with a bar and light bar on the front. But such a big vehicle like this needed a winch. So what we've done is we've added the Bush Ranger 12,000 pound winch. Now this is fully submersible, so IP68 rated. It's got a hidden control box, so there's no box sitting up here on the engine bay or the bonnet. And then what we've done is we've added an extra winch isolator in between the grille and the radiator. So it's fully sealed, safe, ready to rock and roll. Now for all the Toyota fanboys, this does have a little bit of Toyota in it as well. So this customer got a custom made bonnet made for it. So this 62 has got a 79 series bonnet grafted onto the top and fully resprayed. Now once the car's come to us, to protect all this beautiful paintwork and to protect the whole chop, we've done a full PPF wrap over the whole bonnet, whole sides, whole roof, and also the canopy doors and under tray toolbox doors. So this car paintwork is going to be fully protected from day one. Now with a big rig like this, vision is really important. So we're lucky enough to put the Clearview Next Gen mirrors. These mirrors slide right out. They've got all the factory functions, indicators, electric adjustment, power fold, blind spot. So they retain every function that the vehicle's mirrors come with, but give you much better vision. In front of that, we've got the Safari snorkel. So if you are going to be doing any water crossings, this is absolutely essential, guys. This seals up the airbox and gives you a raised air intake. So not only are you getting cleaner air, you're getting way more air than factory as well. So the vehicle runs nicer, it runs more efficiently, and it even gives you a little tickle of power as well. So on a custom build like this, we have a special size. This vehicle here has had its chassis extended 450mm. So we can do a tray and canopy for this model. We can also do a tray and canopy for a 600mm extended Y62 Patrol. That gives us our 1765 by 1870 and still retains all the great things we want on a tray, like water tanks up front, trundle drawers underneath, under tray toolboxes, flared mud guards, so you can have it as a tray back ute or as a tray and a canopy. So on this model guys, BMW have stretched the chassis, strengthened the chassis, done a whole new rear diff housing, and that means we can put a heap of weight on the back. It's got just under 4.5 tonne GVM on this model. Because of that, we've gone for our full length tray and canopy combo, and then added a jerry can on the rear for a bit of extra petrol, because these things do like to drink a little bit, and a spare tyre. Now the spare tyre can stay underneath, so this gives you the ability to hold two spares, one on the back and one underneath for that real remote travel. So the beauty about having such a nice big canopy, 1.7 metres long, is that we have a huge amount of space inside. So up front we fit all of our electrical, so we have our Red Arc top tier electrical panel in here. We've got the Bushman 130 litre fridge, which has the freezer up top as well. MITS alloy slide out pantry. And our single drawer and pull out table. So this becomes your living area. Plus we also have the room at the back for all your trestle tables, chairs, fishing rods, all the bigger items you want to take with you as well. Now as always guys, pumping up some big rubber like these ones, we need a compressor on board. On this car we put a twin brushless compressor, which is a brand new ARB compressor. It's 50% faster than the previous model, so it's going to pump these up in no time at all. Now, our clients have chosen to go for the extra water tank in this model, which means we've got 90 litres of water underneath, which include a pressure pump, a tap and a switch at the back of the vehicle, as well as still retaining an 800mm trundle drawer. This is great for things like first aid kits, puncture repair kits, sand pegs. I even keep my snatchy in here. Great bit of storage. Now over this side guys, this is one of our most popular packages we do. Double drawer system on the driver's side with a heap of open space, because you always need spots for your bags to go, for Webbers, for all that sort of stuff. So here we've got our big drawer and our small drawer. This small drawer is really cool. It's got these sectional dividers. So if you want to divide the drawer out, you can put this anywhere in between, click it in, and now you've got storage all organised. So when you're on the tracks and it's time to pull over for the night, there's nothing easier than the ARB Altitude Electric Tent. We can only really mount them on big rigs like this because they are quite a heavy tent, but they're the easiest to set up. Check this out. Unlock, press a button, in 60 seconds, your tent's set up for the night, and all you need to do is clip the ladder on. Being such a big rig, we've added the ladder extension onto this to keep plenty of clearance between the door and the ladder itself. So when you're getting up and down, you've got grab handles to get up and down with, as well as proper steps to get in and out of the tent. So no matter what it is, at night time, in the middle of the night when you're trying to get down, we've got lights, rails, and proper steps so you can get up and down nice and safely. If you're looking at building a dream vehicle just like this one, give us a call, book an appointment, come in, we'll have a coffee, we'll sit down, and we'll run through everything MITS alloy, everything vehicle build, and we'll get you ready to hit the road. See you soon.